So 80 knots. Look, now we're looking over our right shoulder, looking for our 45 from the runway. We're there now, so we're going to turn. So we should be turning between 8 to 900 feet as a rough average. So turning right, looking right, turning right. So Sebastian, traffic Cherokee 3023 Tango, turning right base, runway 23, full stop, Sebastian.
Flash traffic, November 8388 Yankee, going around runway 23, Sebastian. Airplane heading to
speed check, 25 degree flaps in. Now we're looking for 75, so pitch down for 75 and trim for 75. Make sure we got the power set, 75 knots. I can see the runway to my right hand side. So we should be turning final at about between 5 to 600 feet. So we got 75 here. Okay, so we're looking right, we're turning right. Sebastian traffic, Cherokee 3023 Tango, turning final, runway 23, full stop, Sebastian.
Sebastian traffic,
so this is coming out to final now.
Turning right crosswind for runway 23, Sebastian traffic.
At 500 feet. We're just a bit low, so therefore just going to add a little power to get on the glide slope. You can see two red ahead of us.
734 Bravo Hotel.
So we're on center line.
We're on clear.
On speed, 75 knots, and the runway is clear. So there you go, we're on glide slope now, so we pull the power back again. At 400 feet, last stage of flaps. So now we get the speed will bleed off now. We're looking for 65, VREF is 65. So our aiming point is at the beginning of the runway. The threshold markers, so some people call them the piano keys, which I know some people don't like calling them piano keys, but we're looking for 65. Speed is coming down at 65. We're on the glide slope.
Turning right down runway 23, gonna do a short approach, Sebastian.
65 knots now. Got the aiming marker at the beginning of the runway. We will go below the glide slope because we got the aiming marker at the beginning of the runway.
65. 6 miles to the east. Want to make a switch center line right downwind.
65 over the threshold. Then we're going to round out, power off, and then just hold it. Let the aircraft sink, keep the nose at the end of the runway, and we're down. And then gently let the nose wheel come down.